There are days in Toni's home where meatballs literally fall into our plates. They do not fall from the sky like in the movie, but from the skilled hands of Mom. If you want to learn how to make juicy Italian meatballs, get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti, it is clear that today we will prepare meatballs.
I always dreamed of meatballs falling from the sky.
That it's just a dream, but let's make it a reality with a real Italian meatball recipe.
Mom, can we make them giant?
Sure, Manu, and we will explain all secret.
Step number 1.
While Manu is cutting vegetable, I will soak the bread in the milk. You can also use the water if you want.
Traditionally, we use hard, stale bread. However, today, my mom is using freshly baked bread because in Toni's home, there is never leftover. Also, since it's freshly baked, it won't take long before it becomes mushy. Okay, I'm done cutting the vegetables.
Now let's prepare the tomato sauce.
To prepare the tomato sauce, we start by adding in the pan some very high quality extra virgin olive oil, like the one made by my grandpa. Add the chopped vegetables and leave them to brown. Shh! Here is a small secret. Put in some pork belly.
My mom just added some pork belly. You don't necessarily have to do this if you want a lighter dish, but trust me, it gives a whole lot of difference.
Add Italian seasoning. Then pour the tomato sauce into the pan. But wait! There is still some tomato sauce in the bottle. Fill half of it with water and shake it. Now pour it into the pan so that nothing gets wasted.
Now let the sauce simmer for 40 minutes, making sure it does not get too dry.
Just looking at it makes my mouth drool.
While the sauce is cooking, let's prepare the meatballs. The big meatballs.
Step number 2. We're now going to start a more interesting part. Listen carefully to our tips and your polpette will be perfect. You can use any meat you want. However, adding pork will make the meatball more juicy. We add a boiled potato when it's still warm. Add 2 egg yolks. Do not put egg whites, or else the meatball will become too rubbery. Wring the bread. Adding the bread into the meatball will prevent the meat from drying up too much. Add pecorino to the Parmigiano. This will improve the overall taste. If you're going to add garlic, you must also add basil or parsley. We add a bit of salt. Now we mix everything together.
Manu, I think we need a taste boost.
Mama, how about Nduja?
This is great, Manu. Let's start mixing.
Wow, the smell of Nduja is fantastic.
What special flavor do you want to add in your meatball? Let me know in comments below.
With the amount of mixture we have now, we can make about 12 meatballs. We cut across the bowl to have the same amount of mixture. Let's shape the meatballs. To make this job easier, cover your hands with oil like Manu is doing. Add mozzarella in the middle of the meatballs. I love cheese. We are nearly done with the mixture. Just coat it with flour. Roll, roll, roll.
The meatballs are ready. Cooking time.
Now our last step, frying. As usual, pour extra virgin olive oil in the pan. When the oil starts to sizzle, you may add your meatballs. We want even more flavors, so Mom added red wine. Once both sides turn a little brown, take them out. Don't eat them just yet. We have to cook them one more time inside a tomato sauce.
Step number 3. Now we let the meatballs cook in the boiling sauce for another 15 minutes.
And now, it's ready!
Step number 4. Magna magna time, my favorite moment.
The real question is, who's gonna eat it first?
Together. Mamma mia, è buonissima!
I think the only thing that's missing is some pasta.
No, some bread. I want to do scarpetta. It's more Italian.
You should try it at home.
What you like? Scarpetta or pasta? Write me in comment below. And if you want to watch more videos, subscribe. And don't forget, every day is a sunny day in Toni's home. Ciao!
Still wondering what Mom meant with scarpetta? Well, this is me doing scarpetta. If you want to learn more about Italian cuisine with Mom's funny words, subscribe and smash the bell button to stay up to date. Every Thursday we upload a new video.